Hey guys, it's Lily Violin here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to put away your violin and how to take it out. Guys, and now we're back, and during this video you won't really be able to see me other than opening it and things like that, and I'm just going to be doing a voiceover on my steps so it's easier for you to understand. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to unpack your violin and put it away. First we unzip the case, then we gently open up the case. Here's what your violin display would look like. Then you take out your violin by unfastening the Velcro. After that, make sure your violin is in tune, but not overly out of tune. Gently place down your violin again, and take out your bow. Your bow should be loose from last time you put it away. Tighten the bow by twisting a screw clockwise. Now it's time to take out your rosin from the little pocket at the top of your case and move it gently up and down the bow until you're satisfied. A good way to know you've done it properly is doing this with your bow and see if you've got a white mark on your hand. Now that we know how to take out our violin, now we're going to go through our putting away violin process. Now that you've had a long day practicing, it's finally time to get your violin and time to put it away. The first thing you need to do, which is very important, is place your violin down and bow and check that you haven't got any rosin throughout your case. If you find some, make sure you put it securely into the pocket and close the lid. Now it's time to put our actual violin away. First thing you do is place it gently into the case. But don't forget to grab your bow and start loosening it up, ready to tighten tomorrow. Make sure when you're tightening it, you do the screw anti-clockwise, otherwise clockwise if you want to make it tighter. Once you're satisfied, a way you can check is making sure all your strings are loose. Then don't forget to get out your violin and fasten the Velcro gently and safely. Now it's time to close the lid of your violin case, zip it up, but don't forget that little bit there. Now that we've finished putting away our violin, it's time to place it in the safest place ready for tomorrow. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys today. Now we know how to put away our violin and take it out. I hope it was really helpful as well, and if you found it helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and please hit that subscribe button because now we're on 70 subscribers, and if you haven't already, please go and check out my 50 subscribers video which I uploaded this morning. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go and check out my Instagram at lily.violin and Facebook at Lily Violin Official. And I'll see you next time. Bye!